up, everyone? Welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here again on a lovely Wednesday. We are midweek. Midweek, my friends. It's a beautiful time to be alive. It's a beautiful time to be zesty. We should always be zesty individuals. Never deny yourself a day of being zesty. The zest does come from within, though. Welcome to the stream. Thank you for coming, Bulldog. Thank you for the rose over there on TikTok. Hi, Rich. Nice to see you. I want to say hi to everyone on YouTube, but as I am doing that, keep in mind that we have a goal of 100 likes and 100 live viewers, so we must get after it, friends. We must. I see the viewers are ticking up. I see the likes are ticking up as well. Let's continue to do that. The more we interact with the stream, the more you comment in the chat, the more you hit that like button, the more you share the stream out, the more YouTube will share it as well, and the more people will learn about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the economic scene and the dramatics that is the media in this world. Thank you guys again for coming. I want to say hi to everybody in the chat. We got Joe Network Bits. Thank you for coming. Retro Mike, of course, there with him. We got Big Dog in the chat, Sophisticated, John Germain, Colin McKenzie. Nice to see you guys. Who else we got? We got Randy in the chat, Automatic Beats. Nice to see you. Jimmy, the coolest kid out there. Yes, we are missing some likes. I agree with you, Jimmy. I don't know what's going on right now. Crypto Outcast, welcome to the show. Oh, Armani.
Give MTC a midweek year.
Yay, Armani. Thank you for starting me off with a $5 super chat. Yes, please give a midweek yar. We always yar for Armani. And Tom Crown. Hi, Tom. Welcome to the stream over there on TikTok. Thank you for the 2 roses. Appreciate you. We got, of course, Jimmy the Cool King in the chat as well. War Player, Paul as well. We got Retro Mike, Paul, War Player, No G. I love your hype, No. Thank you so much for coming. I appreciate you, fam. We got Crypto Music in the chat. John Legends. Gary Gensler. Oh, sheesh, Gary Gensler. It's nice to see you. Who else? Am I missing anyone? I don't think so. Friends, this is a great time to be alive, and it's also a great time to check out Market Cipher, our lovely sponsor. So check out Market Cipher. Use code missteencrypto or code Zesty at checkout for a lovely 20% off. Make sure to use that link. It's a beautiful link. Rich, thank you for the 6 roses. I appreciate it. All right. Ilya, nice to see you. Alexandra G, hi, nice to see you as well. You guys are awesome. And shout out to Retro Mike for subscribing on Twitter yesterday. He did end up subscribing and figuring it all out. So that was awesome to see as well. Gary, of course I mentioned you. I can't miss you. I see you in the chat. And you know what, Gary, like I said, this is your safe space, Gary Gensler. You can come here, you can hang out, and we will support you because we know you're a real crypto bro. Thank you for the lightning bolt, Rich. I appreciate it. All right, we're going to keep on getting into the stream. We're going to talk about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. We're going to talk about the charts. We're going to talk about everything you guys need to know and some more Elon Musk announcements. We're going to get after it. Again, make sure you guys are smashing these likes and sharing the stream out with friends. Let's kick up these viewers, friends. All right. Oh, true. Nice to see you. Good morning to you. Gary Gensler's like, oh, okay, I pass. All right, good. I better pass because I'm zesty, so I can't not pass. I mean, you want to be a part of the Zesty fam, do you not, Gary? I mean, I thought you did. Don't mislead me, Gary. Okay, we're going to talk about the charts and everything like that. We got Bitcoin right now at $26,300. Actually just fell below $26,299. We took a little bit of a dippity-doo today, guys. We were down 3.39%. Market Cipher is very much showing us the confirmation with printing red dots. We're seeing red money flow. Oh, sheesh. Obviously, we are not seeing some zesty price action today. We are quite splice. We have the VWAP popping confidently below the 0 line, which is something that we were kind of expecting. We were talking about yesterday. I'm just like, wow. I Bitcoin, man. I mean, this isn't dramatic. It's not the craziest drop in the world. It's only 3%. 3% is nothing for Bitcoin. Bitcoin could go up 10% in a day, you know? So it doesn't really matter. I just think that obviously 26,000, Bitcoin seems to love 26,000, doesn't want to break out. I do see us actually like this could be like maybe like a spring, like a little pullback before a nice little pump. You know what, friends, I'm just telling you what's going on with the markets. We see some momentum kind of just sliding here, just not really doing much in terms of momentum. And we're actually below the bottom of our range here. The bottom of our range was $27,161. The top of our range was at $28,400. Obviously, we are falling below that today. We started the day off right above our range. We're down below it. We saw our low for the day was around $26,100. Sheesh. And we were even mentioning it yesterday and the day before that is it possible that maybe this wick low of 25.8 predicted our future? And this was on Friday the 12th. So we did see that wick low of 25.8. A lot of people saw that as a good sign that we reached 25.8 and that we bounced back. But I guess this is indicative of maybe what our future holds. Again, I'm hoping that we don't go back to 25.8. Of course, I always want us to go up in price with Bitcoin, obviously. But we're going to have to deal with a little bit of a dip today. We know Bitcoin, we know cryptocurrency is obviously inevitable. Bitcoin is inevitable. So I'm not worried about all these short-term dips, this short-term price action. I know it's hard to watch. I mean, it's been 2 months, over 2 months of just sideways trading. I mean, we're seeing lows that we haven't seen since March 17th. So again, over 2 months of sideways trading. This is when the market really tests your limits and makes you question what is going on here. Should I sell? Should I buy? We know what is going on with Bitcoin. We know what it does to our mind. We had 2 months here of sideways trading as well, from basically January 14th to March 10th, almost 2 months there. Then a pop because we saw a signature bank collapse. Then we also saw nap time. We know nap time is famous in the Zesty fam. From literally November 9th, right before the FTX collapse, or right on the FTX collapse. I think FTX was November 11th, or I don't know if it was the 9th, but definitely around this week, November 9th, we saw some lows, and we were sideways trading till basically the beginning of the year, January 6th, before we really popped off and ran up that nice 70% that we're up at this point for the new year. People slept on Bitcoin. It was nap time here. Even before that, it was nap time. Sideways trading here from June 17th to November as well was pretty much sideways. This is a hard time to trade. It's a hard time to even create content. It's a hard time to do a lot of things in crypto because the momentum, obviously, people are just, it's shifting. It's not going up a dramatic amount. The FOMO hasn't really kicked in yet. This is the perfect time to build, my friends. Perfect time to build, because we're going to remember these times where we're sideways trading. We're going to wish we had these prices again. We're going to wish we had these prices here again. People are still wishing they had 15, 16K Bitcoin, but they were swearing we were going to go lower, which we haven't seen yet. So if you're going to make your move, make your move. If you feel like you've done the research and you believe in this asset, then do what you need to do, my friends. We're going to head over to Ethereum. Ethereum's taking a hit as well, down 3.4% today. We could see that there still is some green money flow here for Ethereum, which makes me happy to see. Momentum, the blue wave is shifting up a little bit. The VWAP seems to be had a spike, and it's coming down pretty fast, heading towards the zero line. So if it crosses confidently below the zero line, then we have some things we might have to worry about here. But I guess the green money flow is still good for me. I know a lot of people are still trading meme coins. I know even a few meme coins are doing good today. We have Ethereum just sideways trading, literally at this $1,814 level. It was previously resistance. We had wicks going up to that point mid-March. We took a nice pump up to $2,100 Ethereum, and then we just kind of trended down to this point, and we've been sideways trading here since May 11th. So we've been sideways trading here for literally almost 2 weeks straight with Ethereum. I'm waiting for a pop for Ethereum. I want to see more price action. I want to see better movement here. Obviously, this is, again, testing our patience. You can see here that the volume isn't really crazy here with Ethereum. Not a lot of volume at all. So we have to see what happens with Ethereum. Obviously, Ethereum is pretty dependent on Bitcoin's price action, although during this pump to $2,100, it did show a little bit of independence because Bitcoin, I remember at that time, it wasn't really pumping so much. Ethereum was outperforming for just a day or two. Not anything crazy, but something to keep note of. Very interesting, very interesting. What I do see here is an even bigger dip with Litecoin, down 6.7% today in the red. Down bad. We got Litecoin. Obviously, it doesn't need Bitcoin to make a move. I believe Litecoin maybe started to take a dip first before everything else did, if I'm correct. But we also saw momentum printing a red dot, coming down. We have money flow heading down towards the zero line with Litecoin. We also have the VWAP popping confidently below the zero line, which makes sense when that happens. That is when our bright red candle formed for Litecoin. Now, this is the time, my friends. Will Litecoin make another higher low? This is now my new question. Now, you could take a gander at this chart here with Litecoin. We went up from about $62 all the way. We went up to 102. We retraced. We saw a wick low of 65 that was making a higher low. We went up again, touched 102, came back down, and made another higher low down here at $76. Now we pumped up to $91 Litecoin. We saw a wick high of $95 Litecoin. 91 and 95 were kind of resistance. And now we are now below $90 the bottom of our range at $85.47 Litecoin. Is this the time, my friends, where we see another higher low? That would be super zesty. And then we follow some price action back up for Litecoin and maybe keep going with this higher low train. As long as we keep making higher lows, that is zesty to me. It's very interesting. Shows that Litecoin, even though it's going up and retracing, it's still kind of holding its ground and creating new support instead of resistance. So then again, $85 Litecoin is extremely interesting to me. $84 Litecoin is an interesting level as well. We did see a wick low there, I guess, today. Let me zoom in a little bit. We did see a wick low today of about $84.40. So that is interesting. We're going to see how this all turns out. Ooh, very spicy Litecoin. A big red candle, but it doesn't scare me. It does not scare me. I think this is healthy. We went up quite a lot. In only the matter of like 4 or 5 days, we went up 18% for Litecoin. Now we are not far from there. We retraced about 10%. So that's okay. Go up 18%, retracing 10%, maybe go down a few dollars more. Does not scare me as long as we make a new higher low. So let's watch out for that for Litecoin. Very interesting stuff. Drop in the chat. Please give me your opinions on whether you feel that we're going to have a bullish day where this is just maybe a fake out dip and we just like pump back up from here. Drop a 1 if you think this is a fake out. We're going to have a green day. Or drop a 2 if you think this is just going to be a red ugly day. 1 for green and 2 for red uglies. Kenny-O is in the chat. Also, shout out to Kenny-O and his daughter, Sophia. She actually got a little award today. They were at their award ceremony, sent a picture in the Telegram. Very cute. So shouts to them and the family, the O family. Ken's Log, hope you're doing well, my friend. Welcome to the show. I heart Ken's Log to the max. Thank you for coming, Ken's Log. MetaMask, nice to see you. What's up, everyone? I hope everyone is doing well. We got Crypto Music. MTC 100K subs by the end of August. Holy sheesh, that would be amazing. We're building, friends. I am here every day. I am tweeting every day for the past over 3 years. I've been tweeting every day. That's because I love this space. I absolutely love Bitcoin. I love cryptocurrency and I love freedom. I love what we stand for and I love that we're all a community while doing it. So thank you for your support, and let's get after it. If you guys want to make this a goal, 100K subs by August, then let's tweet about the channel. Let's hype up this channel. Let's share out these streams. Like, get after it. Because there's so many people right now that are so negative. Oh, I can't with the negativity anymore, friends. I'm just scrolling social media. Everyone's like, rah at each other. Everyone's fighting each other. Can we stop? Can everyone, like, take an actual chill pill? Go outside, maybe don't touch social media for 5 minutes and go touch grass. Maybe go take a dip in a pond. I don't know. Enjoy yourself. What are we doing? Fighting with each other. I'm not fighting with anyone. I'm here for freedom. I'm sticking to what's right. I'm staying on the trail of happiness, positivity, and absolute revolution. And that's what this is, a peaceful revolution. Diddly D. Oh, that's funny. You didn't drop a 1 or a 2. You dropped a 69. That's hilarious. Michael Men, thank you for the hands heart. Hands hearts to you too. I appreciate that, Michael Men. Retro Mike, it's like, I feel attacked. Why do you feel attacked? What's going on right now? Alexandra G, good vibes only. Absolutely. Ken's Log says, love all the peeps. Much love to you, man. MTC, how did it go scrolling? Oh, yeah. Like, I was just like scrolling like this. And I was like, why is everyone fighting? Go touch grass. For real. Yeah. I did not tell you to drown yourself in a pond, Mike. I said go jump in a pond and like have a good time and swim around in it. I don't know. Listen, man. What I'm just trying to get at is I don't understand why everyone's fighting with each other. It doesn't make sense to me. I feel like, you know, if we're really rooting for freedom, if someone wants to build something on a decentralized protocol, then they obviously can because it's a decentralized system. If someone wants to build something upon it, then let them. If it doesn't work out, then it doesn't work out. That's fine. But at least people are trying. You can't hate on people for wanting to create things. And just because you don't like it, then I don't know. I don't know, friends. For one, I've expressed things that maybe I'm not in favor of in the crypto space. I'm honest with you guys. Everyone deserves to state their opinion. But you can't censor people. That's why we're here, is to make sure everyone could be free. Everyone takes part in this decentralized ecosystem. Everyone is able to make their own choice on whether they want to buy Bitcoin, altcoins, or build on each layer 1 or create a layer 2. That's up to the people. I don't know. I don't think there's a reason to fight. If one wins, we all win. If ordinals are the answer, or if ETH NFTs are the answer, or some other blockchain is the answer, then that should be it. It is what it is. Let's all work together.
$5 to shill SCP.
Joe, thank you for your $5 to shill SCP. What's SCP? I don't think I've heard of SCP. But okay. Thank you for the $5 super chat. Thank you. Appreciate it. Let's get 100 likes, guys. What's going on? We only got 30 likes and 41 watchers. What's going on, guys? And we got some votes in there. Ooh, who became a member? Avo, welcome to the Zesty fam. Thank you for becoming a member. Oh, sheesh. Thank you. I appreciate it. Guys, if you guys are members, you better show Avo some love and share those member emojis. Get after it in there. Yay. Congrats. Welcome to the Zesty fam. I appreciate it. All right. Financial failure. Welcome to the show. Gary Gensler. Oh no, he's coming for SCP. He's gonna make it a security, Joe. See, maybe the $5 shill brought it to Gary's attention in the wrong way, dude. Oh no. All right, let's get after it, guys. We're gonna talk about Doge for a moment as well, because Doge, my friends, is zesty indeed. A lot of people maybe hate on Doge. I don't understand why. Doge, it could be looked at as a meme coin because it kind of is a little bit of a meme coin. It was started as a joke for sure. But as Elon says, the most ironic outcome is probably the best outcome and the most likely. Now, I agree with that. Fate loves irony. Now, we do know Doge was in the 70-cent range for its all-time high. Right now, we're currently sitting at 7-cent Doge, sideways trading for a little while. That is okay. Because obviously Elon has plans for Doge. He thoroughly enjoys Doge. And he did say yesterday that it is his favorite cryptocurrency. And let's hear his reason why.
Are you still a fan of crypto?
Well, I mean, I'm not advising anyone to buy crypto or bet the farm on, Dogecoin or anything like that.
Okay.
Don't bet the farm on Dogecoin. You might have been thinking, maybe you should, but let me advise you, that would be perhaps unwise.
Okay.
So, Dogecoin is my sort of favorite cryptocurrency because it has the best humor and has dogs.
I did, however, look at the price of it yesterday. It's lower than it was, I think.
Well, I don't know. Maybe it's like a friend of mine has a saying that the most ironic explanation is the most likely, and the most ironic outcome for currency would be that the thing that was made as a joke to make fun of cryptocurrencies, most ironic outcome would become that it becomes the global currency.
Okay, we'll wait and see. Final.
There's a lot to take away from there. Elon Musk said Doge is his favorite cryptocurrencies, because it has the best humor, it has dogs. Which, why not? We love a good Doge. And that the most ironic outcome is the most likely, and that he sees Doge could maybe become the world's currency. Now, that is something to think about, and something that a lot of people don't even consider when thinking about Doge. But if you really think about Doge and its fundamentals, it's its own blockchain. Dogecoin is seriously, actually decentralized, just like Bitcoin. You have to mine Doge. It's proof of work. You actually have to mine Doge. It doesn't come out of thin air.
Vested network bits crypto.
Oh, John Germain, thank you for the $6 super chat. One-upping Joe right there. Starting a war, I see. Oh, sheesh, John. Thank you. I appreciate it. Now, again, Dogecoin, it's actually decentralized. It's a copy, or it's basically a copy of Bitcoin's code, except that there is no finite supply like Bitcoin. It's merged by Litecoin. Also, it has a lot of security. Again, proof of work. If you mine Litecoin, you get Doge as a reward. If you mine Doge, you get Litecoin as a reward. So you have some duality there. It's different than any other meme coin. It has potential as an actual currency, if you think about it.
Don't get wrecked.
Oh my gosh. Wow, Joe went up to John. Ooh, this is spicy. This is spicy. Thank you, Joe. Appreciate the $10 super chat. And thank you, John. Wow. Ooh, sheesh. Okay. Bringing the heat on this lovely Wednesday. Okay. Thank you. Appreciate it. But then I thought this was really interesting because one thing that you know for sure is that Doge is actually feasible to use as a currency. Now, not only did Elon Musk say that not to bet the farm, but maybe you should on Dogecoin. It is his favorite cryptocurrency. He also confirmed that he will be holding a Twitter Spaces with Ron DeSantis today with real-time questions and answers. My friends, take a look at this clip. And if you guys would like me to live stream that Twitter space, because I was thinking about it, put it in the chat. Put a yes or no. Take a look at this.
Your time, I think it would be probably correct.
Okay.
Yes, we'll be interviewing Ron DeSantis, and he has quite an announcement to make. And it'll be the first time that something like this is happening on social media and with real-time questions and answers, not scripted. Your time.
Beautiful. Elon Musk is going to have Ron DeSantis on Twitter Spaces today. So that way he could announce something, Ron DeSantis, which people are speculating it's his run for president in 2024, and do a real-time Q&A with no script and real questions and real answers. This is all about truth. Now, if you look at Bitcoin cryptocurrency, that is truth. That is every transaction that's ever been out there is on the Bitcoin blockchain, and the same for Doge. And Doge is decentralized, and we know Elon Musk has said we need an answer to the financial system, we need an answer to freedom, and that is cryptocurrency, and that is Twitter. We're going to see how this works out. Ooh.
Get rich.
Dave Digital, $11, get rich. Let's do that. Thank you. I appreciate the $11 super chat. So now you're one-upping Joe again. Ooh, Joe said he's on fire today too. You are on fire today. You are. Joe is going off. Dave Digital is on fire. Let's get after it. You know, like if there is there's a special item for the 21. MetaMask. Oh, thanks for that comment. No GSIC MTC to the moon. Yay, let's moon. We're all mooning. The only person not getting wrecked is MTC right now. It's okay, fam. Like, it be what it be. We're all in this together. Like, we're all not wrecked. If you think about it, we're not. Because we understand Bitcoin. We understand the reason why we're here. So there's no reason to, like, be like, oh, no, you know? Like, we know why we're here. None of this is leaving. Bitcoin's not leaving. Doge isn't leaving. Nobody's leaving. I'm not leaving. I'm never leaving. Oh, sheesh.
Dollar Bill's face.
Digi, thank you so much. Thank you so much. John Germain. Oh.
Haha, Joe,
Oh.
you didn't know.
Oh my gosh, what is going on? Oh. John Germain, thank you. Digi, thank you for the $20 super chats. Ah, that is beautiful. Oh, sheesh. Oh, sheesh. Mr. NC. Thank you for coming. Hey, yo, what's happening? I don't know. This is crazy. Someone's gonna, one person's gonna do 21 or like $20.01 just to get them upset. That's hilarious. Thank you. I appreciate it, guys. You guys are super cool. All right, but Elon Musk is doing some great stuff right now. I'm really excited to see what's happening. Someone gave me something on TikTok before. Did I say thank you? Oh, Rich, you sent me another 2 roses. Thank you, Rich. I appreciate it. All right. If Jimbo was in here, it'd be game over. Jimmy is here, Jimmy the cool kid. Matt, lunch money for Sixus. Oh, yeah, Emma's okay now. Actually, thank you, Matt, for remembering. Emma's okay. Emma's okay. She's chilling. She's okay now. She actually went to the doctor again today. Got some stuff taken care of, and now she's all chilling. And then now she's gonna like go to prom and like be like a big girl or something. It's wild. Oh, Bulldog! Holy sheesh!
Support MTC, this way she gets more in her wallet.
Bulldog, you're amazing. Thank you. I appreciate that. You gave me another $20 via actual support stream through fiat. So yeah, that is correct. So if you guys do through this link, I'll put it in the live chat again. If it's also in the description, it pops up throughout. But yeah, this one goes directly to me, and YouTube like takes a lot of the stuff, but this goes more directly to me. I get a lot more of it. But thank you so much. I appreciate it. Oh God. You guys are awesome in the chat. So much hype. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. All right. We're going to continue getting after it. All right. Speaking of, we also have Ethereum, right? So we're going to talk about Ethereum. We just spoke about Doge a little bit. We could talk about Ethereum. Ethereum, as we know, has been sideways trading. I'll get it up. Wow, we took a bigger dip with Ethereum. Ethereum's down to $1,788. Holy sheesh. We are taking a dippity-doo right now with Ethereum. We started the day off at 1,853. Now we saw a low of 1,774. Oh, wow. Okay, guys. So now we're seeing a little dippity-doo with Ethereum, which means we have to stay hype in the chat, which means you have to smash these likes and share this stream out with friends. We need 100 likes and 100 live viewers. I don't know what's going on today. Now, Ethereum staking demand actually skyrocketed following the network upgrade. So the recent upgrade from proof of stake in the last year, also coupled with Ethereum's Shapella network upgrade, which enabled withdrawals of staked ETH as well as rewards, led demand for new validators to reach its highest level in 2.5 years. Previously, users could stake their ETH to the Beacon chain as early as December 2020, but it wasn't until Shapella that it became possible to withdraw the ETH. So they were just faithfully putting their ETH away until they were able to withdraw it. Now, this has brought a rush that has been balanced by an influx of eager validators waiting for activation. And now it came to see that there are actually so many validators, 64,000 waiting to participate, but there are 0 validators wishing to withdraw that are stuck in the queue. And that's a stark contrast to last month, which stood roughly at 17,500. So obviously people want to get involved with the Ethereum blockchain. As the number of validators approaches 589,000, an internal protocol parameter known as the churn limit will rise, allowing for the daily activation of an extra 225 validators. So people are increasing this as far as it goes.
The super chat FOMO struggle is real. Profound heart.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate that, Anonymous. I make sure if you guys do go through that link, that you put your name there, because if you don't put your name there, it's anonymous. So I don't know who that was, but thank you so much. I appreciate it so much. You're awesome. Absolutely awesome. Yay. That's so awesome. Appreciate it. Make sure you guys are smashing these likes. Share this stream out with friends. We need 100 likes and 100 live viewers. Oh, Joe Harvey. Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. DigiSeg, I'll send BTC to your wallet next time. Hey, get after it. Get after it. LOL, oops. Was that you, Alexandra? I want to say thank you to whoever did that. B Team Crypto, welcome to the show. T-Bone, thank you for coming. Appreciate it. All right, let's keep getting after it, my friends. Lazarus, 50%. I think it's 50%. Something ridiculous that YouTube takes. Ilya, I can only send roses. I appreciate your roses. I take virtual roses. All right, let's continue getting after it. We're going to talk about the IMF actually optimistic about Central African Republic, despite their Bitcoin adoption, because Bitcoin adoption has been crazy over there.
Come on, brick boys who can match my $2 Doge gang.
Oh my God, no. You're funny. Thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate your $2 super chat. You want others to match it. You're funny, dude. Appreciate it so much. All right. You guys are so hype. Bonkers for Hex loves Bitcoin streams. Yay! Thank you. I'm happy you like the streams here, friends. Let's get after it. Let's get 100 likes, 100 live viewers. My friends, what is happening today? What is happening? IMF optimism in Central African Republic despite Bitcoin adoption. The Central African Republic, CAR, has received optimism from the IMF 1 year since it's adopted Bitcoin. Aw, Ninja.
Party.
Thank you for matching nose, super chat. I appreciate that, Ninja. Yay. Appreciate you. But yes, the Central African Republic has received optimism from the IMF, which is the International Monetary Fund, 1 year since it adopted Bitcoin. The IMF's positive outlook reflects the country's economic prospects and the impact of embracing leading cryptocurrency. The IMF published a report expressing a more positive view of their economic prospects in 2023. Now, they said, according to the IMF document, the projected public debt of CAR, let's call it CAR for now, is expected to remain sustainable. However, the report highlights the presence of significant liquidity risks, as indicated by relevant debt indicators. These risks arise from potential shortfalls in donor support and challenges in accessing domestic and regional markets. The CAR also made history by becoming the second country in the world after El Salvador to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. Nobody talks about this. Nobody. It's wild. Despite being one of the poorest nations in the world, they're harnessing the potential of Bitcoin to reshape its financial infrastructure and boost economic prospects. Now, the government also wasted no time in laying the groundwork for digital currency integration. The president also revealed the initiative called Sango Project, marking the country's entry into the world of crypto. They previously announced a delay in the listing of Sango coin on crypto exchanges, and it was attributed to the market conditions last year. And on March 31st, they announced further delays just for a few weeks. So we're going to see them actually come out with their own coin. That is absolutely insane. But this is another whole country after El Salvador, Central African Republic, that adopted Bitcoin as legal tender, and it is helping the country dramatically. It also helped El Salvador. If you know El Salvador, their tourism actually went up over 90%. And after they adopted Bitcoin, in addition to becoming one of the most dangerous places to actually visit, to becoming one of the best places to go visit with your family. So there's a huge turnaround in El Salvador, and a lot of that has contributed to Bitcoin and them being so forward in technology. They also passed a new bill regarding taxes. If you're an innovator and working with technology, definitely look into that as well. But a lot of people are looking to base their crypto companies in El Salvador because of the freedom and because they're actually allowing you to do so much more than you would in somewhere like the United States where it's so heavily regulated. This is what Bitcoin can bring. Bitcoin can help countries. It could save the future, and it could really help the United States over time as well. Let's continue smashing those likes, friends. What's going on? Hector, El Salvador is doing great. Yeah, absolutely, it's doing great. Yeah, this chat is awesome. Matthew K, welcome to the show. I know you're here. You're all chilling. All right, let's continue to get after it. What I found funny is that Shaquille O'Neal actually got served. And yes, I'm actually talking about for court, for law stuff. Isn't that wild? And obviously it's concerning cryptocurrency and not really crypto because it has nothing to do with crypto. It has everything to do with FTX. FTX exchange obviously collapsed, filed for Chapter 11 way back in November. SBF getting away with taking billions and playing League of Legends in his mom's basement. Now, Shaquille O'Neal got all involved in that. And he was served during a Heat Celtics series at the old FTX arena, ironically. Shaquille O'Neal has been served, according to lawyers. This actually, again, is a lawsuit against FTX and celebrity spokespeople who appeared in promo materials for FTX. A process server was reportedly able to reach O'Neal during the broadcast of the Miami Heat versus Boston Celtics game in Miami, Florida on Wednesday, May 24th. Ironically, the game was being played at what is now Kaseya Arena after being renamed from FTX Arena. However, this isn't the first time that the law firm claimed to have served O'Neill, who was named in the lawsuit in November 2022. Last month, the lawyer said that a process server has reached O'Neill outside of his Texas house and served him. His lawyers claimed that the papers had been thrown at a car and landing on a public road. Quote, it seems absurd to go such great lengths to serve Mr. O'Neill, who's a deputy of the law. Adam Moskowitz, one of the lawyers representing the plaintiffs in the FTX case, told Blockworks via email. The judge overseeing the case told lawyers at the time,
FTX 2.0, heart.
Stop it, Mike, no! No, Mike, no! No FTX 2.0, no. No. The judge overseeing the case told lawyers at the time that attempts to serve O'Neill through social media were factually unsupported and legally insufficient. We're going to see what happens with the FTX O'Neill lawsuit. I just thought this was very entertaining because it's just a way to FUD crypto again. Even though FTX, again, has nothing to do with crypto, it was fraud. It was bad business practice. And Bitcoin and cryptocurrency has nothing to do with that. R.I.P. Geronimo, Gary should be served for the same thing. He met with SBF several times and did nothing to avoid the debacle. Yeah, I think, that's a valid point. That's a valid point. We're going to talk about Tornado Cash as well in a moment. FTX bad. Yes, FTX is no good, bro. What is going on with FTX? I don't know why they would think they want to restart FTX either.
LTC is too overrated to keep in my beloved ledger.
Oh, gosh. Joe, stop it. That's crazy. Thank you for your $5 super chat. It's LTC is too overrated to keep in my beloved ledger. That's actually funny because it's probably the opposite. It's Litecoin is so underrated, and your beloved ledger, you probably hate that thing right now, Joe. You probably hate it. Do you hate your ledger right now? Be real. Let me know. But, I can't. No. Litecoin is so zesty. And Ledger, I'm not too sure about that one anymore. I don't trust it. I won't update. If I had a Ledger, I would never update that thing again. I would never update it again. And talking about Litecoin as well, people are writing articles up the wazoo about Litecoin. They're like, oh, Litecoin is undervalued. Duh. I've been saying that forever. I remember seeing, when I first created my missteencrypto account, Litecoin was $25. I saw a $20 Litecoin where you could buy 4 Litecoin for $100. That is so ridiculous. It's not even funny. Not even funny. Pretty wild what's going on there.
Ledger, heart.
Mike, no. Your Ledger and your FTX 2.0, no. No, Mike, no. Trolling, yeah, he is trolling me with super chats. Isn't that crazy? Not only does he trolls in the chat, but he pays the troll. Well, and I guess that's his own decision, right? Where this is a free market. Kenyo's disappointed with Ledger. I'm disappointed as well. Diddly D said, oh sheesh. I agree. I'm sheeshing my life away. You guys rained on me before with these super chats. Let's continue to smash these likes. What is going on? Friends, we have to share out the stream. We got to share out the stream. No other thing we can do. We have some more stuff to talk about. Tornado Cash. This guy from Tornado Cash, all he did was write code. And the poor dude got arrested. But now he's facing Dutch charges to question Chainalysis data alleging his criminal links. This is taking place in the Netherlands. Tornado Cash developer Alexei Perstev will be allowed to cross-question blockchain analytics company Chainalysis as he seeks to clear his name of money laundering charges. A Dutch court ruled on Wednesday. Apologies. He was arrested and detained on the orders of Dutch crime enforcers FOD in August of last year, just days after the privacy protocol was sanctioned by the U.S. Treasury's Office of Foreign Assets Control, the OFAC. OFAC also said Tornado Cash was used by North Korean hackers, which we could probably say is beyond FUD. his lawyer, Keith Chang, told CoinDesk outside the courtroom that he was happy that the court had allowed him to directly ask Chainalysis in writing about its methods. Quote, "You're not going to have a hamburger analyzed at the lab, and then I say, let's go to the meat factory. I just asked them what the ingredients are." FOID explanations have proved technically unsatisfactory, such as its citing of the existence of user grants that don't exist on the ETH blockchain. Pertsev, who in April was freed to await trial in his home, denied charges of money laundering. But with further hearings set for September, his case now looks to drag on to 2024. So they're trying to keep this dude hostage. And on Saturday, it was Tornado Cash was subject of an apparently malicious attack and caused its token to plunge.
PGNFTW.
John Germain. I can't with you, dude. But yeah, Perstev in April was sent home to actually go do whatchamacallit. He was actually sent home. He was able to have an ankle monitor and finally get his trial done. And now he got his questions answered. Yet he has to probably wait until 2024. That's literally over half a year away to get an answer for his trial. This is why we need to push for cryptocurrency and freedom, because these people who are just writing code and creating code are being cracked down on, literally thrown in jail for no reason. John Jermaine, thank you for the $5 super chat, the $5.01. I think that's hilarious. Pigeon coin for the win. You're great, dude. Let's get after it too. We have some stuff to talk about Japan as well. Oh!
Ingredient funds for my batch of cookies and bath bags for Randy.
Oh my gosh, Jimmy. Thank you for your $100 super chat. I hope you liked the little gify gif that popped up there. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. That's great. So thank you for the cookies. I actually I have to get more chalky chip cookies.
Can we put an ankle monitor on the SCP devs?
No, Mike, no. No more ankle monitors on these poor nerds that are just trying to change the world. No, we need these nerds. I love the nerds. Thank you for the $100 super chat, Jimmy. I had barf bags for Randy. I think he's gonna be okay. You know, I'm gonna give him what is it called, Jimmy? Like the nausea medicine. I don't know why it's slipping my mind right now. I always use it before I go on a flight. But I will give him some anti-nausea meds. He will be okay, and we won't have to get him a barf bag. Maybe I'll bring like a little Dramamine. Yes, Dramamine. Yes. I'll give him some Dramamine. I'll have some water in my bag. Like, it will be okay. He will be chill. I'll give him a bagel for some substance. He will be okay. I'm excited. The choppa. Brandon, what's up? Nice to see you. Diddly D. Oh, you guys are dropping all these things. What? I've never heard of Narcan. Have I heard of it? Let me see the bottle. I have to see the bottle. I'm a visual person. All I see is that this is a nasal spray. I don't see that it helps with nausea. I have to do more research on that one. Hi, Rud Putz. Yes, I'm going to give you a bagel. Don't worry. Pepto, I don't like Pepto. I think Pepto tastes like Pepto, it works, but it tastes like poop. Like, it scares me because it's so pink too. I'm like, what is this stuff? But it does work. So shouts to Pepto. And I think they have like little pills now, right? Little Peptos. Yeah, the pill form Pepto. See, I knew there was a pill form Pepto. I feel like I've seen that before. Let's talk about Japan. Japan is working on crypto policy, and they're going to enforce crypto anti-money laundering laws next month. Japan is set to implement stricter anti-money laundering measures according to the so-called travel rule of the Financial Action Task Force, FATF, from June 1st. The decision was made by Japan's cabinet on Tuesday. Whoa!
Today's crypto mining earnings. Yeet. Smash the like button, you ingrates.
Joe, oh sheesh. Thank you so much for the $100 super chat. What? Let's go. We got two $100 super chats. This is a Wednesday to remember. Thank you, Joe. I cannot. My face is so red right now. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I feel like it's this dress too, just bringing like good vibes. This is also my favorite. I'm wearing my favorite dress today. I got some great super chats. This is beautiful. And thank you for giving, like, this is, if that's your mining money from today, that's very generous of you, Joe, because like, I love the nerds. I love the miners, and you're helping create a decentralized ecosystem, and you're giving me your earnings from being like creating a decentralized ecosystem. I thank you for that. Aw, that's so awesome. Hi, Randy A. It's nice to see you. Looking zesty. Thank you. I appreciate it. Like, I love this dress. I'm not even joking. Like, TikTok could see like more of a full view, but it's a vibe. I really enjoy it. I'll donate $10 to Emma if she barges in the room and tackles missteencrypto. You know what? That Emma loves to beat me up. Like, it's not even funny. Emma's a little crazy. I'm surprised she doesn't come in here right now and literally just like sit on me. Rusty Bot, did I hear nerd? Yes, I'm here. We're all nerds. I love being a nerd. Where did this even come from? Well, Emma just threw a ball at me. Oh my god, this is awesome. I didn't know we had this. I don't even know where this came from. I have this little squishy one with the smiley face on it because it's cute, but she just threw one at me. Okay. Well, I guess she didn't tackle me, but she hit me. I saw her open the door. I look over there and I just see a thing flying at me. I'm like, what is this? Oh my god. Board type Crow's like, wow, like, yeah, she really just like threw something at me. Yes. Board type Crow, you said you have a bad connection, struggling to send chat. Oh no, sorry. No tackle, no money. Well, she threw something at me. I don't think she wants to be on camera, but it's okay. You know what? Emma's an independent person. If she wants to cause me harm, I guess she'll just cause me harm, you know? We're going to continue talking about Japan. I know we just mentioned it before we went completely off. Thanks to Joe, though. But Joe's awesome. Appreciate that. Emma said she wished she had a water gun. That's messed up, dude. That's messed up. I know we used to have Nerf guns, and thank God I don't think she could find them, because if she did, she'd definitely shoot me right now. I'm giving her bad ideas. Okay. Japan is working on cryptocurrency regulation. They've been pretty strict about it. There's been a few exchanges that have been actually having trouble there, but they're going to enforce Cipher crypto anti-money laundering laws next month. Again, they're set to implement stricter anti-money laundering measures according to the so-called travel rule from the Financial Action Task Force, FATF, from June 1st. And the decision was made by Japan's cabinet on Tuesday after the nation's anti-money laundering steps were deemed insufficient by global financial crimes watchdog FATF. And in 2019, they recommended the travel rule to combat money laundering and terrorist financing by using crypto. By June 2022, the FATF was urging member nations to introduce travel rule legislation as soon as possible. So this isn't enough. They want more. Earlier this month, the group of seven, which is the G7, the Intergovernmental Political Forum, signaled its support for the FATF's efforts to accelerate global implementation of its travel rule, which mandates the sharing of information on crypto fund transfers between financial institutions. So again, they want KYC, they want to know what everybody's doing in crypto. They also have been grappling with this travel rule since 2021, when Japan's financial services agency, the FSA, requested virtual asset service providers to implement it. And in April 2022, their Virtual Currency Exchange Association introduced self-regulatory rules accordingly. And in October, they approved a cabinet decision to amend existing laws to curb money laundering using crypto. Obviously, friends, I know this is something that they want to do to maybe help bring adoption to Japan. But the fact that they want all these countries to adopt, oh, we want to know what everyone's doing. I want to know what all these institutions are doing with their cryptocurrency. Yada, yada. That's not possible. Just like in Europe, how they came out recently and said, we want to KYC for every transaction in crypto that you do. It's just not possible. You can't do it. There's no way you could know what every single person is doing. I'm sorry. It's just not possible. When you have people that are creating code, executing code, mining all over the world, I'm sorry, but you can't control it. You have countries mining Bitcoin. You have states mining Bitcoin in the United States. Why do you think everyone's going to KYC when we want to be decentralized, when we want to own our data? We're done giving our data away. We're done letting people know every single thing we're doing because we need privacy. Bitcoin cryptocurrency gives you that balance of privacy. We're on the Bitcoin blockchain. It holds the truth. Every crypto transaction is there. All the past transactions, all the addresses. Truth. Since the beginning, since 2009. You actually own your money without everybody watching you. And if you know someone's address, you know what they've been doing. You don't need anyone to KYC for that. We're done giving our data away, friends. We're done giving our information away. Let's get these likes up. What is going on? Let's get 100 likes. What? We're going to talk about China as well, because now they're doing a government-backed metaverse platform. China's been doing a lot with cryptocurrency. They're taking advantage of our weakness. They literally have put out press releases lately saying since the United States chooses to push crypto away, we're going to embrace crypto, which is inevitable. Crypto is inevitable. China, we know, has had issues in the past where they're banning crypto, they're banning Bitcoin mining. FUD. They've done that 5,000 times. China also has the digital yuan, which is something that is dangerous. It connects to your SIM card. It's money that expires. It's money that's completely controlled. There's also the Hong Kong CBDC, which is rolling out as well. They have been talking about an NFT marketplace in China. They've been doing this for maybe close to 6-7 months, almost towards a year now, of an NFT platform where secondary trading for virtual assets, because they understand where identity and actual ownership comes into play. Again, now a Chinese city is launching a government-backed metaverse platform. On May 22nd, Nanjing, the capital of China's eastern Jiangsu province, inaugurated the China Metaverse Technology and Application Innovation Program to advance metaverse research and development across the country. The newly established state-backed entity is led by the Nanjing University of Information Science and Tech, NUIST. NUIST. As per the announcement, NUIST official social media platform consists of founding members representing diverse academic institutions and metaverse-related companies throughout mainland China. The platform aims to bring together the resources of academic institutions and enterprises in China, strengthening research endeavors in the metaverse-related fields. The metaverse refers to a virtual universe or collective virtual space encompassing all virtual worlds. This includes AR, augmented reality, and VR, virtual reality experiences. Nanjing and other Chinese cities are competing to take a prominent position in the country's metaverse development. In February 2023, the city revealed that its metaverse strategy aiming to create a thriving industry, surpassing $19.13 billion by the end of 2025. Shanghai is pushing the metaverse aspirations, where their metaverse industry, they're saying, will reach an annual revenue of $49.6 billion by 2025. They do have strict restrictions on people, retail investors, people getting into crypto in general. But in a recent report from the Deputy Minister of the Ministry of Science and Tech, highlighted the importance of expanding the use of the metaverse in various sectors, including education, commerce, healthcare, and entertainment. He also emphasized the necessity of establishing industry standards for the metaverse. Other countries are taking advantage of our weaknesses. Even the World Economic Forum was talking about in Davos how they wanted to create their own metaverse as well. Other countries are jumping into the metaverse because they understand that people will meet in a virtual place. You could go to a virtual DMV instead of going to a real DMV, instead of waiting hours in a line, and just talk to somebody and be able to get your things done. Be able to take care of business that you wouldn't have to actually go somewhere for. You could do online classes instead of Zoom where no kid is paying attention. Maybe they'll pay attention in a metaverse where you see other avatars sitting in a classroom around you. It's different. The metaverse, Bitcoin cryptocurrency is inevitable. And if China sees it, then I don't know how we don't see it and how we are so behind. Which is why we're thankful that this is a decentralized economy and that anybody anywhere in the world can create a new metaverse right now, even a new blockchain that could come out tomorrow and blow everything out the water. It's all possible. We're so early. But I just wanted to let you know that China is on the move for Bitcoin. Who is in the chat? Whoa, we got Mitch Ray out here, the Lord of Charts, Mitch Ray. He says bear drums. What's going on, Mitch? What is going on? I mean, yes, I know we are hitting the bear drums. We got $26,200 Bitcoin. ETH actually went below 1,800. We're at 1,787. We're a little wreck today. The Bears are definitely beating their drums. Do 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 do. But it won't last long, Mitch. We understand that. We know Bitcoin is up over 70% on the new year. If it retraces, that's okay. That's normal. We're not greedy individuals. We understand that 2 months of sideways trading could bring us to glory. We understand that we are here for the long run, that Bitcoin is inevitable, that the bank closures will not stop. The regional banks are collapsing day by day. And I know you watch those charts. Bitcoin is the answer. People are going to realize that they have to custody their funds. They're realizing it now. People are withdrawing money out of the bank at a rapid pace. They don't know where to put it. Keep my money under my mattress. Bury it underground. Or do I have my money in Bitcoin where it's virtual and nobody can take it from me? Boom. Ba-boom. Yeti, nice to see you as well. M Stone, welcome to the show. You want me to throw a cookie? I don't have a cookie to throw today. My cookies, they're gone now. They're all yummied and eaten. All of that. Was the drum dance for Joe? It's for everybody. It's the bear drums like Mitch Ray was talking about. But we understand again that it's not going to last long. The Bears are always going to be defeated no matter what. You love John Germain or you love someone else? Oh, Zombie posted the penthouse video. Oh, Crypto Zombie. Crypto Zombie's a cool dude. I love Crypto Zombie. You should check out. Oh, yay, my cookies are here. I have a few left. Cookies. I have people yelling at me, not yelling at me, laughing at me in my own house. Lois, thank you for saying it's a great show. Lucian, it's a blessing to see you as well. Thank you for joining. Here's a cookie. You guys on YouTube, you got a cookie too? Okay, here you go. Mitch, did you get a cookie? I know Mitch actually critiqued my cookies once when he was live on his stream and kind of like exposed me because he's like, they didn't have enough chips. Well, it wasn't my fault that day either because my sister comes in and then she like pours like half the bag in her hand and eats the chips. But I didn't let her do that with this one. So there were a little bit more chips in these. Oh! Wow, I just got this thrown at me. I guess I'm just going to plug this into my brain and maybe get some answers out of there. Oh, Matthew, you need a cookie? Okay, hold on. There you go. Matt, did you get your cookie? There you go. Chips Ahoy. Hey. No, you cannot dishonor these cookies like that. No way. These are from scratch. This is love. This is love. You guys love Emma because she's throwing things at me. That is not nice. That is not nice. I would love to do a podcast with Emma one day, but she just doesn't like to sit with me. She doesn't like to sit. What? What? No. I'm getting abused. I just saw like something. I can't. Oh, Kenio, you need one over there? Oh, sorry. I thought you got one. Here. All right, there you go, Kenio. Wow. Joe, I'm getting things thrown at me. She won't tackle me. She's just throwing things at me, which like I feel like is worse. If she would just like attack me, it would like I'd be able to fight her and it would be over. But I'm getting this thrown at me like a little cube. I'm getting water thrown at me. She won't even hydrate. She'd rather be dehydrated. We're not gonna make it to we have to make it to 100. I don't know what's going on, dude. Where's everyone today? It is what it is, friends. We're going to make it. I'm not worried. Listen, a lot of people are down. A lot of people see like low views and they'll be like, I'm leaving. I'm quitting crypto. No, bruh. I'm never leaving. Retro Mike.
Emma is the best.
Emma is the best. I mean, I feel like you guys will like Emma if you like I feel like you guys would like Emma. Thank you for the $2 super chat. Emma's the opposite of me. And everyone finds that out when they meet her. She's like the opposite of me. She's literally like I'm more like, and she's just more like, like not mean, but like she'll tell you what's on her mind. Like she doesn't have a filter. And I think we need to have a show one day. I think it would be really funny. Yoler Coaster, thank you for spreading the vibes. Appreciate that. Oh, thank you, Kenny O, for the rose. I will always be here. That's what people have to understand. I will always be here for you guys. I love this space so freaking much. This is my passion. This is everything I've ever wanted to do with my life is this. I've always wanted to help people. I've always wanted to educate. I've always wanted to like do news and just like help people and just talk about things that matter. And this is it. This is everything for me. So you guys supporting me like you did today, sending all these supers, liking this stream, sharing the stream out, even though we're not hitting our all-time high amount of viewers today, just know that this is the time where we are building together, where all of us here, we're going to remember in the bull market who was here. If we were all bullish, people are going to look back in 1 year and look back on the people on crypto Twitter and see who was positive, who was negative, who wanted, who really believed in this space. And they will see that every single person in this chat believed in this space. We didn't leave. We're here. We don't care about the dips because we know Bitcoin is inevitable. We know that there's no way that this is going anywhere. I just got toilet paper thrown at me. If this was 2020, this people would go through the screen for this. Oh my God. I could have sold this in 2020 for like $420. I cannot believe I just got toilet paper thrown at me. What is going on today? My desk this is what I have on my desk. Toilet paper, a little cube, and water. Everything that was thrown at me today. That was actually a little freaking ridiculous. I can't see what's going on. Oh my gosh, I can't. I'm literally dying. My face is so red. It's literally as red as Jimmy's super chat on the top of the screen. If you can dodge a wrench, you can dodge the bear market. Listen, I am here. I don't give a sheesh about the bull market, about the bear market. Sorry, I love the bull market. I don't care about the bear market because I look at it as a build market. What happened to the rest of the pack? I don't know, fam. I don't know. This is a bear market for views. But I'm still here. I'm still hype. I'm always hype. I will always be here for you guys all the time. I love being positive, and I will never be like that dim person. Like, never. Jimmy! Do you like this GIF?
Non-streaming toilet paper was just okay.
Did you see that? Do you like the GIF? Viva la BTC! Oh, thank you, Jimmy. Non-streaming toilet paper was just okay. Yeah. I mean, listen, it was kind of streaming. It was like, wee. This is so gross. Even though it was like an actual fresh roll of toilet paper.
Now, this is a spicy show.
Thank you for the $2 super chat, John. You're cool. I appreciate it. You like the GIF, Alexandra? Thank you. Like I said, there's a special one for 21. There's a special one for 84. Then there's a special one for 50, like Jimmy's, and then there's a special one for 100, and then there's another special one for an even bigger one. But yeah, I do have some special ones lined up just because I think it's cool, like different GIF for different amount. Just add some spice. Exactly, built in the bear. Yes, absolutely. Emma, get well soon. Yes, Emma's okay. Emma's basically all right. So when sister stream on YouTube, I want to do it. Like I do want to do it. You saw a bonk no stream. The stream was there, Jim. The stream was there. Not 21 million, not just $21, Matt. What do you mean the big one? The GIF is the $500 GIF. I guess is the big one because that's the biggest thing that you could do on YouTube through the super chats. But there's obviously like if you go through the link, you could do a different amount. but YouTube limits you to like 2 $500 ones, I believe. But yeah, Hipper Sisters Crypto. That would imagine like that. I would probably have to like have a like new channel for it if we were really serious. But she's a busy kid, you know. She's a teen, like living her teen life. You know, like I was a lot nerdier than her at her age. Like I was doing missteencrypto from a junior in high school. I was just like, you know, I can't even believe what this has been like. But this is beautiful. This is a beautiful stream. And I love like that you guys are a part of my family. And you're getting to know me very well through this show. And I'm just happy that I could connect with you guys. That's all I really want. I think this is a family vibe. I'm always going to keep it as a family vibe because I think this is how it should be. We should all be connected. We should all be one. We should all be a part of this revolution together. Kenny, oh yeah, shout out to Randi for sure. Emma is Miss Big Deal. Emma said I am. Rigo said the University of MTC. Yeah. Oh, Joe, you gotta go. All right, Joe. Thank you for your contributions today. Thank you for your love. I appreciate it. Joe is a cool kid. You could also click his the 3 dots next to his comment and subscribe to his YouTube channel. He does his own streams as well with Mike and all these really smart individuals that are miners and the best nerds of the world. So check them out as well. Jimmy talking so much smack in there. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I've had a great show today. I'm so happy about what's going on with life. I'm so happy with what's going on with Bitcoin. We are so fundamentally relevant right now. It's actually insane. Drop a 1 in the chat if you think I don't know if we should do like a live stream with the Twitter Spaces with Elon. I'm not sure. Like I do want to do it because I think it's a big important space. Mike and smart individuals. Wow, I feel attacked. You're a part of the smart individuals. Mike, stop it. You're a part of the smart individuals. You're obviously a smart individual yourself. I've said it many times. Mike is very smart. But thank you guys so much. I appreciate what you guys are, your guys' support. So you guys put a 1. So you do want that live stream. You said we love Elon. All right. Alexandra G said, great show always. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Also, if you guys would like, I also put up a tweet yesterday explaining this because I know some people told me they got confused. So on Twitter, if you guys go on my account, you'll see, if you follow me, you'll see this little pill that says subscribe. You could click this button. So a lot of people, I say subscribe on YouTube, which is more like a which is more subscribe on YouTube is like a follow on Twitter, but subscribe on Twitter means exclusive content. So you guys could subscribe over there on Twitter. It's like basically like a exclusive tweets membership, basically. So you guys could go check that out on twitter.com/missteencrypto. Just people got confused because when I say subscribe, people take that as a follow, because you subscribe on YouTube is basically the same thing as a follow on Twitter. But you can subscribe on Twitter for extra content. And if you guys do that, I will make sure to shout you out as well. Retro Mike, she did this to attack me. Oh, stop it, you. Oh, stop it. Stop it. Retro Mike also became a member yesterday. So congrats to Retro Mike for becoming a Zesty member on Twitter. David, yes. W for subscribe. Oh, yes, for subscribers. Alexandra G is a subscriber as well. And they seem to be enjoying it. So I hope you guys again have a great day. I really do appreciate all of your support. I'm going to move my toilet paper to the side that got thrown at me now. To give you guys all one last cookie. Do I have a Discord? No, but I do have a Telegram chat. So if you go on missteencrypto.com, you could see the Telegram logo. Just click on that. It'll go to my group. The link is t.me/miss Teen Zesty chat. And we talk in there every day. Does Twitter take a cut for subscriptions? Right now, no, but Apple takes like 30% or something like that, but Twitter does not. For right now, they're giving the creators all the money, which I think is amazing. And it's a great way to support creators. So shouts to Elon and Twitter for that. Tom Crown said, this girl right here, Thomas Crown. I cannot. Me and Tom, we're gonna have a ball. Next time I see Tom, like it's gonna be a great time. Tom is like such a cool kid. When Choppa stream, imagine we go live from the Choppa, Jimmy. That would be hilarious. That would be so fun. That's an idea. Thank you guys again for coming. I have to run. I hope you guys have a great day. This is an amazing show. Thank you guys all for your contributions, whether that was a view, a like, a comment, a super chat. I appreciate every single person. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the positivity. Like I said, I will always be positive. I will always be here for you. I'm not like one of those people that's going to go fight with people on Twitter. Rah, rah, rah. Nah, I don't care about that. I don't care about the negativity. I don't care about the tribalism. I care about you guys. I care about prosperity of every individual. I care about freedom. I care about Bitcoin. I care about life. I care about positivity. So thank you guys so much for joining me. Thank you for being a part of this journey and supporting this beautiful revolution that we are a part of, because it's so important that we support one another. It's so important that we build a beautiful community. Thank you guys again for coming. Make sure if you didn't not yet, let's reach that 100 likes. Make sure you subscribe. Share out this stream with friends. Make sure other people know what's going on with the banks, cryptocurrency, positivity, all of it. And I'm just going to go take a walk now. I'll see you later.